In AutoCAD 2023, we introduced Markup Import and Markup Assist. With Markup Import, you can overlay a PDF or image file of hand-drawn or computer-drawn markups. And Markup Assist automatically identifies markups in the overlaid file and helps you insert them into the drawing. This release includes improvements to Markup Assist that will make it easier to act on the markups. After clicking the highlighted border of a text markup, you'll see Update Existing Text as a new option. Choosing Append adds the text from the markup to the end of the selected text. Choosing Replace removes the existing text and adds the markup text. Markup Assist recognizes strike-through text and allows you to erase or replace the text from a markup. Text comments that are added to a PDF can also be inserted into the drawing. Markup Assist detects certain instructions in markup text, like move, copy, or delete. Clicking that instruction markup text starts the associated command. Markups that are acted on are automatically faded. You can also fade markups you want to ignore. The Trace workspace has new settings available in the drop-down menu on the Trace toolbar. Use the sliders to change the transparency. Use the new Copy from Trace command to copy objects from a trace into the drawing.